beautiful looking tuna.
It is, isn't it?
Yes.
I like them to be a good 1.5 to 2 inches thick. I trim the edges just because I find it just looks nicer on a platter.
Presentation.
You know, and you can always save this and use it for something else. Now we would just want to heat up some olive oil.
Okay,
and
how
you
much?
also want to about a 1/4 cup.
1/4 cup, okay.
And you want to salt the tuna.
All right. And we should tell people that this is a winning recipe using extra virgin olive oil,
Yes,
right?
it is.
Congratulations, Nadine.
Thank you so much.
I'm so glad you cook with olive oil. All right, I'm going to turn this down now because I don't want that to be too hot. Now, I know we have to sear this really well. And we want to get a nice sear on those just on the outside, right?
And you want to make sure that you have a nice, fresh tuna to do this recipe.
Right. Not only that, but it's critical, the size of the pan.
Yeah.
Too small a pan, crowd those, steaming instead of browning.
Right.
We don't want that. All right, so you want that lower?
Yeah, a little lower because it's
Okay,
going pretty fast
all right,
here.
so good. All right, so we're down,
Yeah.
yep, all right, that should be good.
Yeah.
So you just want to get a nice looking
sear
crust on the outside.
Yeah.
So while you're working on that, I'll work on the salad part
Sounds
of this.
good.
So for this you called for spinaci.
I did.
So here we have some fresh spinach, beautiful looking leaves. Should I tear those up a little
Yeah,
bit? do you
just a
think?
little bit, just so
Cut
it's
these
a little
in half
easier
little
to
bit?
deal with.
So your husband Keith, he loves this recipe?
He does, so do my kids.
Here you're using the, this is called stelle erbe in Italian. It's like a sawtooth, almost oak leaf looking arugula that's very peppery.
And it has that little peppery
Yeah,
flavor,
it's very
which I
peppery.
like.
So we're going to put all that in. And this is to serve for, of course. So we have the arugula. My hands are clean, by the way. And we're going to mix that around. And then, of course, we have one of my
Gotta have the
favorites.
fennel.
We've got to have the fennel. We've got a lot of different flavors going on here.
We do.
We've got this spicy arugula. We've got the licorice flavor of fennel, finocchio, as they
And
say
you
in
want to
Italian.
slice it quite thin.
Right. You can
Yeah.
do this on a mandolin, right?
Right.
Or you can do it...
That's what I do.
You did
because
it
I
on a
don't do
mandolin?
it as well. I can't
Yeah.
cut that thin.
All right. Oh, the tuna is smelling
Doesn't it smell
absolutely
great?
delicious. So we got this all mixed up, and then the last thing you want with the salad are those tomatoes, cherry tomatoes.
Right. And just cut them in half and
Okay.
add them in there. And it's real colorful, too,
Yeah,
which I
all
love.
right. We've got the colors of the Italian flag. And this we just mix, and we're going to wait now because you're going to do something special with the dressing for this. All right, so we have our salad. That's looking
I think
good.
that looks
Is
just
that
about
good?
right, don't you think?
Well, you're the cook. It's your winning recipe. All right, so out they go.
Transfer these over.
All right.
Oh, they look wonderful.
Beautiful.
They smell good, don't they?
I hope I'm having this for dinner. They do smell delicious.
They do.
And now we're going to add the garlic, right?
Absolutely.
So we add garlic to the pan. Would you have 1 clove there? What else do you need?
I want to do the capers.
The capers. Here we go. Capers
Yeah.
and salt
Yes.
that you've rinsed.
Yeah, that I've
Okay.
rinsed.
All right, capers go in.
And then I want to put in the shallot and the red peppers.
Okay, shallots. Now, why are you using shallot? Why did you decide on shallots?
They're a little sweeter.
I think we need a little more oil.
Just a smidge, please. Yeah.
Okay.
No, thank you.
Okay.
And you just want to cook this and stir it around until
It's soft.
it just gets soft. And
Okay.
the shallots are cooked very thin, so it doesn't take long.
Doesn't take long.
No.
Looking good, and you're getting all those little scrapings
Yeah.
up from the tuna. That'll
Absolutely.
be delicious. This is going to be our dressing, right? This is going to be
That's
our
right.
sauce.
Then to that, you're going to want to add
I see them.
the chili pepper flakes. And you can use less if you want. We tend to like a little spice in it.
Okay,
in
hot
our
red
cooking,
chili. I
so.
love hot red chili. That
And
goes
then
in.
add your lemon juice, 4 tablespoons lemon juice.
All right, so we have fresh lemon juice, nothing from
Absolutely.
a jar. All right, so we put that in. Stir that all around.
Oh, it smells great.
Oh my gosh.
Do you want to pour some wine for me?
All right, so we can use a
Okay.
good white wine for this?
Absolutely.
All right. How much?
That's good.
This good? Oh, let's add a little more. Okay, you never have enough wine. All right, so now this gets reduced?
It does, just a little bit.
Okay. I'm going to give this a little taste test, Nadine.
All
Because
right.
that sauce is reducing down nicely. So let me see. Got a little hot pepper going in here. It's hot, it's lemony, and it's caperish.
Good.
Girl. Okay.
That
Go
was
for
the
it.
plan.
No, it's very good. So now you put the tunas back
Tuna's
in.
back in.
And how long are you going to leave them in the sauce?
About 2 minutes.
Okay. Good?
Looks good. I think
All right.
it's perfect.
So now the next little job here is for you to
start
slice
cutting
that.
it.
While you're doing that, I'll plate the lettuce for you,
Alrighty.
okay? The ingredients here for the salad. So we have a mix of this, remember. We've got the spinach, we've got the arugula. Pretty. I'm going to put this right here for you, Nadine.
Thank you.
And that looks the way you want to have it in the center, doesn't it?
It
You want
does.
a really sharp knife for this. Beautiful. And I will take some of this wonderful sauce that you made, which is very, very, very good, and pour it over the top. If you bring the dish over here towards me,
Absolutely.
I can do that. So over the top with some of these capers. I'm going to get some of these capers.
Yeah, get the capers in
Get the
there.
capers, because capers and fish
There you go.
were made for each other. Beautiful.
They are.
And you made enough to serve 4 people. The recipe
did.
serves 4.
I
Well,
did.
I can see why this is a winning recipe. It's got a
Thank
lot
you
going
so
for
much.
it. Lots of different flavors. Healthy, and you're from Mount Healthy. So now, it's time to eat.
It is. Thank you.